Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mom. My name is Maggie and here this week video piece. I got this dresser on estate sale. Almost every piece have a story behind, and this dresser of course have a story. I saw on estate sale another dresser and one MCM dresser, a tall boy, and I talked to the lady and set up for pick it up the next morning. When I coming and she says, "Hi Mary." I says, "I'm not Mary, I'm Maggie. I'm coming for this dresser." "Oh, you're not Mary?" "No, I'm Maggie." "Oh, but I talked to Mary and she says she's on ways, not you." No, I talked to you yesterday for this dresser and we set up for I pick up this morning. And she says, "Oh, I'm so sorry, but I sold this to the other lady." And I says, "Okay, no problem." And she says, "Oh, coming, I have another one. I have this one. You like this one?" I sold this one. I says, "Okay. And how much do you asking for?" And she says, "Oh, nobody wants this. I give to you for free." And I says, "Oh, you sure?" And she says, yes, if you take for free." And I love this dresser. I love clothes. It's solid wood, solid oak. It's all solid. And I says, "Oh, okay, I take this." I has no idea what I'm doing with this dresser, but I really like this handles. I go keep these handles. It's in very good shape. All in a good shape. Have a light inside. The back is in a good shape. It's all solid wood on the top, on the sides. The drawers work so very well. All has no problems, and has this doors with the mirrors, but I'm switch the mirrors for wood, and has this shelf. I really like this, and now I have an idea. The idea comes to my head how I'm going to make over this dresser. And stay tuned. Let's go to start on this makeover. First remove all the hardware for do a good cleaning, and at the same time see if you need some fix. Let's go to remove the hardware. I'm going to cleaning with cut cutter, and after this rinsing with clear water. I'm going to attach this part on the drawers for make a design on the mirror. Attach my front drawers completely. I just attached a little bit for have enough space for cleaning, and add my burlap. I'm going to add on this front drawers my burlap and have just enough space because this is nail. To do a scarf sand with 240 grip sandpaper. It's time to paint my dresser. I'm going to use my paint spray gun with my custom color. I made this color. It's like everything green. Now asking for the recipe because I'm just mix green and black, and I made this color. I don't need it to primer because I'm going to use dark color and sharp paint, and I'm going to apply just paint. Of course I'm going to use my safety mask and light sand between coats with my 400 grit sunblock. Let's go to paint. On the front and on the sides. I'm going to use Minwax Helsman in clear satin. I'm going to apply with my paint spray gun. Of course, I'm going to use my safety mask and light sand between coats. I'm going to apply on the body 2 coats and on the top 3 coats. Let's go to my doors. I cut this little tiny wood, and I'm going to apply my burlap on the top with a chip brush and a Mod Podge. A little bit wood glue on my door for security my burlap. To stain the back of my door with a dark walnut stain. I hope the color is similar to that. Measures for my base legs. I really don't have exactly measures for base legs. Depends of a piece of furniture I'm working on it. And today I'm working on this long dresser. Let's do the measures for this long dresser. Time to attach my base legs. To protect my base legs with Minwax wipe on poly. I'm going to use Minwax on the back of my dresser, inside the drawers. I really don't like my base legs in different colors. I'm going to paint my base legs in the same color as the dresser. Let's go to paint the legs. I'm going to use the whole hardware because I think this matches perfectly with this dresser. Here, the work done. I'm so grateful how this dresser turns out exactly like I have in mind. This out-of-date dresser turns out so beautiful. I'm in love how this burlap, the color I choose for this dresser. My custom base legs paint on this dresser turns out so beautiful. I'm so happy to change my mind and paint my custom base legs because it turns out so beautiful. My first thought was leave in Behr wood, but on this dresser was so nicely painted. What do you guys think? Please let me know and comment below what you guys think about my base legs painted. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe on my channel. That will be super grateful to my channel ground. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to make it. See you next one. Bye guys.